All right, well, I want to do a quick video for you guys to show you just briefly how to add workday shortcuts to your workday account. So you can see here on the screen, you can see that we are just looking at the home page on Workday right when you log in. So simply what to do is you're just going to click on these three bars up here. When you click on that, you want to go down below the apps part and you'll see this section that says My Shortcuts. Okay, if you haven't done any yet, then you won't have anything down here. These are all the shortcuts that I've created already. And so you might just want to take note of those because these are all ones that I use pretty often that you might want to make some of these shortcuts as well. So let me just show you briefly how to add a shortcut. So you just click on Edit right here. And these are the ones that I've already added. You can have up to 10. Okay, so it looks like I've got 6 there. So I'm going to add one more. One other one is so you can do it as a link or as a report or task. And so typically it's going to be a task or report. So what I'm going to add is the one where if we want to find, the student asked me, when do I register? What's my registration time? Show you how to do that one to find the registration appointment. And so I think it's something like registration appointment. Let's see if that brings something up. And there it is, find registration appointments for students. So that just added it to my list there. And all I got to do is click OK. So now we should be all set up here. And now if I click back on these 3 bars to see what it looks like, here we go. Find registration appointment for a student. I also have the course section roster with accommodations, which is a nice one that pulls up all your students that you have currently. And it shows what accommodations they have. Course section roster, if you want to get your class roster. Register student for course. I use that one frequently at NSO and helping students get registered for courses. Find course section green. This is looking at all of our undergraduate courses and seeing what's offered. Budget to actual, I use that for our budget management for the undergrad Kines. And then create requests is another one that I use frequently for purchasing. So they're all there. So let me show you how one of them works. Instead of having to go through typing in the search or go to the advisor dashboard, I can just simply click course section roster, right? It takes me right to the same place. I can plug in the roster I want to look at, and there it is. So that's that. Hopefully that's helpful.